Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, I'll be showing you the new 2025 Hot Wheels Ultra Hots Mix A. Before I show it to you, I would urge you to please like, comment and subscribe, and do follow us on Instagram. The link will be in description. So now let me show you the new Ultra Hots. At first, I would like to show you the 74 Escort. Before I show you the car, I want to show you the card art. Look at the Hot Wheels logo there. It resembles the classic Hot Wheels logo. Then you even have the Ultra Hots which is written there. That is the set's name. Look how cool the card art is, and it is way different than the mainline card art. So now looking at more details on the card, you have the hottest metal cars in the world which is written there. That is one of the main differences. Then instead of having the car's name at the bottom, the car's name is written on the top left hand side. That is 74 Escort RS 1600. Before I show you the cars in much detail, let's look at the few other details mentioned at the back of the card. The month and year of manufacturing is 8/20/24. The month and year of import is 9/20/24. The MRP for it is $299. You can say roughly around $4. And I got this set just today. Now let's look at the different cars available in this set. So you have the 74 Escort, Volkswagen T1 GTR, 89 Mazda Savana RX-7. Then you have the 88 Honda CRX, Porsche 356 Outlaw, 65 Pontiac GTO, 81 Toyota Starlet, and finally 69 Copo Corvette. So now look at the thing which is written there. So it says, Ultra cool toys inspired by Hot Wheels heritage of speed, power, performance and fun. So now let me show you the car in much detail. This is one of the set that I wanted from a very long time. Though the month and year of import is little like before, but I got it just today. So look how cool the car is. And all the cars in Ultra Hots have this kind of wheels. The wheels are different and it has Spectra flame paint. Now look at the few details. So there's that Escort written there. There's that Ford logo there. Now looking at the front, it's a very cool car. The headlights detail is epic here. And this is the doors that I just showed you. This is the rear end of the car. Again, the tail lamp details is up to the mark. Now let me show you the base of the car. This comes with the plastic base. Overall, this is a very cool car and one of the favorite from the set. So let's move on to the next one. Up next, I would like to show you the Volkswagen T1 GTR. This is the only car in the set which has a moving part. You can actually detach the top of the car, and I think if I find another one, I would mind to do it. So there's that 25 and Goodyear which is written here. Again, the wheels are same. This again comes with Spectra flame paint, and this is the front of the car. Overall, this is very nice. Logo is placed very well. The paint job is fine. Now looking at the rear end, again the tail lamp details is very good. So the base again comes with plastic black base, and this is the top of the car. Overall, this is a nice car, but I do not like it much. Many of them prefer for the moving part of this. You can detach the top. Let me know in comments what do you think. Let's move on to the next car. We have the 89 Mazda Savana RX-7 FC3S. So look how cool it is. So the wheels again are very great. You have the diesel tank detail there, and it is very nice. You have the side view mirrors for this. Now the front details are fine. Then you have the bonnet detailing in the front there. So now talking about the rear end here. So again it has painted tail lamp and number plate details. So now let me show you the top here. The top actually comes with the sunroof detailing there again, which is very cool. Guys, Ultra Hots has a lot of detailing, and as this is from Card Art Premium, this comes with the black plastic base. So this was the 89 Mazda RX-7. So let's move on to the next one. This car I already have it because the 2024 Hot Wheels Ultra Hots which came to India had one of this car. And again in 2025 Mix A they have reintroduced it. This is the 88 Honda CRX. Overall, this is a cool car, but I'm not a very big fan of it. So look at the front of this car. The front of this car is fine. Maybe if they use some other color, I would actually like it. So look at the rear end here. Again, this is fine. And mind you guys, opinions can vary. So people may like or dislike. Again, it has the rear, the side view mirrors detailing here. Overall, this is a nice car. This again comes with the black base, and it is made up of plastic. So this was the Honda RX. So we have the Porsche 356 Outlaw, one of the highly demanded cars in this set. And this is a very cool car. And as soon as I saw that Ultra Hots is coming in India, I wanted this very badly. So now look at the front of this car. This is so cool. The detailings are so great and the color combination matches very well. And then you have the Porsche which is written there on the door. Then look at the rear end here. The curve, it matches so well. I think that is the reason why I like this car a lot. And this is the top of the Porsche. Overall, this is one of the best car in the set. But I would prefer it if it came in a metal base, but this is plastic and black base. Overall, this is a very cool car and one of the most wanted, that is the Porsche 356 Outlaw. The next car that I'm going to show you is the 65 Pontiac GTO. I think I have another mainline version of this, and that is black in color. So now look at the car here. The front, front light details are fine. So there's that cool stripes on the doors there. And now this is the rear end. Overall, this is a cool car, but I'm little disappointed with this Ultra Hot set because it is not heavy. Now this is the base, and mind you guys, there's an error. So do comment if your car also has this error. So now let's do a quick comparison. So I think they have placed the base inverted way because you cannot read it properly here. If you want to read it, you'll have to flip it like this, and then you can read it. See, you can read that 1186 and made in Malaysia here. But actually, the car is like this, and the base is placed in an inverted way. If I had to show you some other car for comparison, so look at this car here. You can actually read the details like this. So you have the 2015 Mattel, Porsche, and everything written perfectly. But in this car, the base is placed in a different way. So I think I am not very sure if this is only with my car or it is with everything. Please do let me know in comments and verify it. So up close here, it is placed the other way around. So you can actually see, you'll have to read it from the right. So this was the error based car, I would say, that is the 65 Pontiac GTO. So this is the top, and this again comes with the base, which I'm not again sure if it is metal or plastic, but I think this is plastic base. But overall, look at the details here. It is so cool. Now let's move on to the next one. All Ultra Hots has a cute car in the set, and I would call this car the cutest one in this one. This is the 81 Toyota Starlet KP61. So look how tiny it is. Again, the front details is good and it is very nice. All of them are Spectra flame paint. This comes with the number plate details and the tail lamp details. And this is the top of the car. This again comes with the black plastic base. Overall, the details on the base is again very cool. Now let's move on to the next car from this set. This is the heaviest car in this set, that is the 69 Copo Corvette, because this car comes with the metal base and metal body. I would highly prefer if all the cars in Ultra Hots come with metal base and metal body, because anyways they're charging so much for this than the regular mainline. So I'm not a very big fan of this car, but to complete the Ultra Hot set, that is the reason I bought it. As I said, this comes with the metal base. Look how amazing the details are on the base. Again, it is cool, and mind you guys, look at the base again. As I said, even everything is placed well and in a correct manner. So look at the base here. You're able to read everything properly. But as I just showed you, look at this one here that is placed in an inverted way. So do let me know in comments. And this was the Ultra Hot set. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and do check out our Instagram page. So see you guys in my next video.